I've heard a lot of people say things like, oh, this person has been owing me for the past 5 years, this person has been owing me for the past 3 years, for the past 10 years, and all of that. You need to be careful. You need to make sure that you are not allowing people to get away with owing you by sleeping on your rights. Let me explain. Under the law, there's something called a statute of limitation or a statute bar. That refers to a period of time within which you are expected to address your grievance. So simply put, if somebody has offended you, there is a period of time within which you are expected to take up legal actions against that person. Whether you want to sue the person, you want to report to the police, you want to, whatever you want to do to get justice for yourself or to get compensation for yourself, there is a period of time within which you are expected to do that, except of course for criminal matters. But for almost every other aspect of law, there is a statute of limitation that governs every grievance that you could get. With regards to recovery of debt, the statute of limitation is 12 months, which means that from the date which somebody defaults in paying you your debt, you have 12 months to recover that debt that the person is owing you. Otherwise, you'll be said to have slept on your rights, and like we say in law, you would not be allowed to wake up. What this means is that, let's say for instance, somebody is expected to pay you a debt by the 1st of January, and the person fails to pay. You have 12 months from the 1st of January to make sure that you recover that debt from the person, or to make sure that you take action against the person to recover that debt. If you do not do any of these two things, and you just leave the debt like that and give the impression that you have forgone that debt, to be assumed that you have actually forgone that debt, and you would not be allowed to now wake up 2 years later and say, oh, you're owing me and I'm suing you to court because you have not paid. So what can you do? What you need to do, or what the law expects you to do, is to continue to prompt the person, continue to make sure that you are reminding the person that you have not forgone that money. Continue to prompt the person to make sure that the person acknowledges that the person is owing you. When the person acknowledges the debt, the 12-month period starts again from the date of acknowledgement, and the debt is said to be refreshed anew. Don't sleep on your rights. Wake up immediately. I hope you found this helpful. See you again.